Hello everybody. Today we'll be demonstrating, looking in detail, and reviewing a DEWALT cordless 5-inch orbital disc sander starting kit with 2 batteries and a charger. First, let's have a close look before we do some work with it. Despite the battery being 5 amp hours, it is still lightweight. It is extremely easy to use and works well. I especially like the power, portability, and efficiency. It will make you wonder how you ever managed without it. The freedom of being able to move around without worrying about a cord dragging behind you is wonderful. Here are a few examples of the sander working. Those sanding discs are just so awesome with the Velcro technology. Switching sanding discs is a breeze. This video isn't sponsored, and I am giving you my honest opinion. Thank you for watching.